Migao mar somo Julius Ogamba olando ni duoko mar piny maduong' mar klas 12 KCSE ibiro gole juma mar 2 mar dwe mar 1. Ogamba mane loso i kaunti ma Kisii kinde nyasi mano yuorie e gwenge ma North Mugirango. Okoni duoko go ibiro mana gol ka osebedi ka itimo gi kinde ka kinde pacho kae. Bende okoni odelo poni migao mar omenda osechwalo omenda ne jopuonj mag kuonde tiegruok mamalo manyocha obuogo dok e ng'anyo. Wirani pok ochulgi kaluwore gi winjruok mane obedie.
Adverts for admission to make sure that
traditionally the KCSE exams were normally released in January, and we are keeping to that tradition and will be releasing them within the next 2 weeks. The exams that used to be released in December were for KCPE, and this year we did not have KCPE, and that might have caused some confusion. But this year we're going to release the KCSE exams in January, in the first 2 weeks of the month. With respect to the issues relating to the university's increment, with respect to the issue of the return to work formula, I'm yet to get the details of whether the resources that was required were released, and if not, I'll be able to address that after New Year once I get the information. I don't have the correct information now, and I don't want to hazard a guess, because once we finished, we informed Treasury of what was needed, and Treasury normally then releases the resources to the university. So we'll need to find out what the hitch is, and we'll deal with it. We do not want any more strikes, because already the university students were affected in the last 2 or 3 months. In fact, they are doing catch-up. If we do another strike or if we cause another delay, we'll be affecting their education.